We're not skunked yet.
Yep. They decoyed real good in there.
Yeah, they did.
This is where I need rain. Send around on in that cornfield.
That one dropped right by this bush, didn't it?
Yeah, he dropped right over here.
And the one that was flying, did he drop over here? In the beans? Right here.
Yeah, one rooster shot. I thought he. Yeah, it's right in front of you. Straight ahead, Bo. Straight ahead.
See it?
That one looked like it fell right.
Yeah, it looked like he fell right in here. I thought he was closer though. I thought you pumped him up closer here. Yeah, I thought. God, I was on the phone too. Shit. Shooting and got him.
Nice. Yes, sir. On the board.
On the board.
On the board. On the board. The Rooster man.
First one of the season again.
First one.
Fine. No?
The corn tough in there, Bo?
Yeah, that's cool.